Few simple problems, then we will go to the next topic. Okay, so let us take few problems here. So now we'll see. I'll take one. Draw the projections of the following points. Okay, let us say point A is 40 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Thus one point. Point B is 30 mm behind VP and 20 mm above HP. Let us say point C is in HP and 30 mm below VP. Okay, let us first do these three problems and then we will do few more. Right. So the idea here is to understand how the point is being projected in different quadrants. So for these three problems, first I will show the pictorial representation and then we will draw the projection just the way we did here. First we have taken for each of the points, we have shown the pictorial representation. This is pictorial representation of the point and this is the projection of the point finally. Okay, so we will take each one at a time. So first is point A is 30 mm above horizontal plane and 20 mm in front of vertical plane. Okay, so you can either go pictorially or you can use this table. So above HP and in front of VP. So front view comes above XY line, top view comes below XY line. We can use that if you want, but I want you to understand the pictorial representation properly and then do the projections. So I will not be doing this way for all the problems, but just for few problems for you to just drill it, I am doing it. So here first one, let us first draw the four quadrants. This is the first quadrant and it I have the vertical plane and this is my horizontal plane, vertical plane, and this is the reference line XY. Okay, now point A is 40 mm above HP. First you have to see that it is 40 mm above HP, point A. So above HP, so this region, this whole region from here to here, so whole thing comes above HP. So it can be anywhere over here. Okay, so let us go to the second condition, that is 20 mm in front of VP, so this region, so this whole region comes above HP and in front of VP. So accordingly we will mark from horizontal plane. I will take a distance of 40 mm. Let us say this is 40 mm, this I am marking as A and this is 20 mm. So this distance here from the plane is 40 mm, and this distance from the plane is 20 mm. Okay, so the same distance, now I am drawing the projection of the point onto the plane. So this is the projection in the front view. We are seeing from here, this is front view, and this is my top view. So when I see from here, the top view will be projected somewhere over here, right? So this distance is 40 mm. So that means obviously from XY line this distance will be 40 mm. Okay, this distance also will be 40 mm. So this distance is 20 mm as shown here. So obviously this will be my 20 mm. So this is my A dash, A with a prime, and this is my A. So always remember, front view will be indicated with a prime, A small letter with a prime. So this I am drawing the projections now. You need not draw any rectangular boxes here. You can directly draw XY line and then draw the projection. First I will draw a projector. on this projector both A dash and A will lie. So this is above horizontal plane, so this is above xy line. So somewhere over here I'll have my A dash, and this distance is the height. The height you can see, this is, you can see in the front view distance, that is 40 mm. Okay, then A is at a distance of 20 mm from xy, and when the plane rotates, the plane will rotate 90 degrees in clockwise direction. Okay, please remember this. So when this rotates clockwise direction 90 degrees, obviously the point also rotates 90 degrees in clockwise direction, right? So this, whatever the distance with this radius, it is rotating now. So this is 20. So here at a distance of 20, I will mark my A. So this distance become 20. So these are the final projections of point A. Okay, point A, these are the final projections, A dash and A. Is that clear? So this is how, finally this is how we will project. We don't show this pictorial representation for each and every problem, but in any problem we have to draw the projections like this. So this whole thing we should learn to visualize. So each time we cannot draw like this for every problem, but we should learn to visualize and understand how the point is projected in each of the 4 quadrants. Only one thing you have to remember here, the rotation of the horizontal plane 90 degrees clockwise direction. Then the top view, the position of the top view will change below xy or above xy depending on this. Okay, we will go to the second point, point B. I am not point B is 30 mm behind vertical plane. So this is vertical plane. This is your vertical plane. So behind vertical plane. So this whole area comes behind vertical plane. Okay, this whole area comes behind vertical plane, as we already discussed earlier, right? Now the second condition is 20 mm above horizontal plane. So above horizontal plane means this area. Okay, that means it is in the second quadrant. So previous one is in the first, this is in the second quadrant. So somewhere over here I'll have my point B. Okay, so I'm drawing the projections directly. So I'll take my xy line and take my xy line, right? I'll draw a projector for B, right? So now on this I'll mark. So here it is given 30 mm behind. So the distance, with respect to vertical plane, the distance we get is the top view distance. So this becomes my B dash. Sorry. So this becomes my B because the top view, and this becomes my front view B dash. Okay. So this distance, the distance with respect to vertical plane is seen in the top view, and this distance, the distance with respect to horizontal plane is seen in the front view. Okay, in the front view, right? So accordingly I will mark. So B dash will be above horizontal plane. So above horizontal plane, it is a distance of 20 mm above horizontal. From xy line also it will be 20 mm. So I will mark that. That will be my B dash, and 30 mm behind VP. So this distance 30 mm. Now when the plane rotates 90 degrees, the same B goes upwards. Okay, because the plane is rotating upwards. Here it goes down, it comes up here when it is rotated. So this is at a distance of 20 mm, and somewhere over here I will get my B, and this is at a distance of 30 mm. Okay, right? So this is how we will project the point. Now we will take up the third one. C is in HP and 30 mm below VP. So here again I am drawing my XY line. Okay, right? So I am drawing a projector for C. Okay, so C is in HP. So if it is above HP, we got above XY line. If the point is above HP, we are getting a projection above XY line, right? Similarly, if it is in HP, the front view will be in XY line. Understand? So here C is in HP. So first I will mark the front view. So this becomes my C dash. Okay, since it is in HP, I will use a different color. Sorry, just take. So this is my XY line, and this is my projector for C. Okay, so first I will mark my C dash, right, and then it is a 30 mm below vertical plane, right. So the point is below vertical plane, so either it can be here or it can be here, doesn't matter. Top view will come on vertical plane, sorry, on the horizontal plane, right. So when the plane rotates 90 degrees in clockwise, it goes above XY line, understand. So it is below and it is in HP. So front view will come on XY and top view will come, I'm sorry for the question here, I'm very sorry, this has to be changed, it's not below here, it is, so please make a change. That's why I'm saying it's coming wrong. It is behind VP. I'm very sorry. So please make this change. It's not below, it is behind VP. So now coming back. So it is behind VP, right? It is in horizontal plane. So it can be anywhere on this plane, in horizontal plane, either here, anywhere it can be on the horizontal plane, and it is behind VP. So the point is behind VP. So it is a distance of 30 mm. That means somewhere over here. So let us say this is 30 mm, this point. Okay, it is in HP and behind VP. So when it rotates point C, this will come here. Okay, right, this is the top view of the point. So when it rotates, it comes above XY line. So whatever is the distance behind, that distance I will take and mark here 30 mm behind, so it becomes 30 mm above XY line. So this is my top view and this is my front view. Similarly here also, this is my front view, this is my top view. So this is my front view and this is my top view. You need not write these things like that. It just as soon as you indicate with a small letter and a prime, it indicates that this is the top view, right? So this distance here is 30 mm. Okay, so this is how we will project the points in different quadrants whenever it is given. So please practice this a number of times. Take point in each of the 4 quadrants and do that, right? So we will deal few other problems, some simple problems, but which are not given directly like this.